what Igbo billionaires know that others ignore. In Nigeria, wealth is often explained with politics, oil, money, inheritance, or pure luck. Many people believe that to become truly wealthy, you must be close to power or born into privilege. But across decades, through different governments and economic crises, one pattern keeps repeating itself. A particular group continues to rise, rebuild, and dominate major sectors of the economy. They start small. Some start with nothing at all. Some sleep inside shops. Some hawk goods under the sun. Yet somehow, many of them end up owning fleets of trucks, warehouses, factories, and businesses worth billions of naira. These are Igbo billionaires. This story is not about praising a tribe. It is about understanding a mindset. Because what sets many Igbo billionaires apart is not magic, not shortcuts, and not special privileges. It is knowledge that many people overlook, ignore, or dismiss as unimportant. One of the first things Igbo billionaires understand early in life is that waiting is expensive. They do not wait for perfect conditions. They do not wait for government support, white-collar jobs, or foreign opportunities before they begin. They believe that movement creates opportunity. Starting small is better than standing still with big dreams. In many Igbo homes, children grow up watching adults trade, negotiate, calculate profits, and manage losses. Business is not a mystery. It is part of daily life. A young person is encouraged to learn something practical as early as possible, not because education is useless, but because experience gives clarity. You learn by doing, not by dreaming alone. While others delay because they feel unprepared, Igbo billionaires start and learn along the way. They understand that clarity comes after action, not before it. Many people ignore this principle and spend years waiting to feel ready. By the time they start, the opportunity has moved on. Another major thing Igbo billionaires know is the value of apprenticeship. To many outsiders, the Igbo apprenticeship system looks harsh. Young boys work long hours, earn little or nothing, and live modest lives.
So to our customers nationwide, so I make one of them na Sunday they go settle. We are free to do business with him. Yes. Guaranteed. Our customers nationwide, Cameroon, Abuja, so he's now settled. He's now the boss of his own.
An apprentice is not just learning how to sell goods. He is learning how to talk to customers, how to manage suppliers, how to calculate profit and loss, how to survive market fluctuations, how to handle disappointment, and how to grow trust. He watches mistakes being made with someone else's money. He learns lessons without carrying the full cost. By the time an apprentice finishes, he has already seen years of real-life business situations. When he is settled and starts his own business, he is not guessing. He is replicating systems he has watched work. Many people ignore this kind of learning because it does not come with certificates or formal recognition. But Igbo billionaires understand that skills compound faster than paper qualifications when it comes to wealth creation. They also understand money differently. While many people chase status, appearance, and validation, Igbo billionaires prioritize cash flow. They care less about looking rich and more about staying liquid. You will find some of them wearing simple clothes, driving modest cars, while quietly controlling businesses worth billions. They know that money must move to grow. Idle cash loses value. Capital must rotate. Profit must be reinvested. Many people spend first and hope income will follow. Igbo billionaires reverse the process. They secure income first, protect capital, and grow steadily. Status is delayed, but stability is secured. Another thing they understand deeply is relationships. In Igbo business culture, trust is currency. Long-term relationships matter more than short-term wins. A good name can open doors that money cannot. Many Igbo billionaires build networks long before they need them. They treat suppliers, customers, and partners with consistency because they know today's small trader could be tomorrow's major distributor. Many people ignore relationships until they are desperate. By then, it is too late. Igbo billionaires invest in people early, not because they are soft, but because they understand leverage. A strong network multiplies effort. Failure is another area where their mindset stands out. To many people, failure is shameful. It is something to hide from or avoid at all costs. But to Igbo billionaires, failure is tuition. It is school fees paid for experience. A failed business is not the end, it is feedback. A loss is not a curse, it is information. Instead of asking why life is unfair, they ask what the failure taught them. They adjust systems, change strategies, and try again. Many people fail once and stop forever. Igbo billionaires fail, learn, and continue. They know you only truly lose when you refuse to learn. They also think long-term. While others chase trends, quick wins, and flashy opportunities, Igbo billionaires think in generations. They ask what will last. They ask who will run the business after them. They build systems, not just income streams. That is why many Igbo businesses survive economic downturns and leadership changes. Structures are harder to destroy than luck-based success. Another thing many people ignore is humility at the beginning. Igbo billionaires do not see humble beginnings as an insult. Selling on the roadside, carrying goods, pushing wheelbarrows, or learning under someone else is not seen as shameful, it is seen as process. Pride is dropped early, so progress can happen faster. Many people want to arrive without beginning. They avoid honest work because it does not look impressive. Igbo billionaires understand that no work is beneath you if it moves you forward. Ego is expensive. Humility is profitable. Community also plays a huge role. Many Igbo billionaires grow within strong communal systems. Town unions, trade groups, and market associations create support structures that help members grow. Information is shared. Opportunities are circulated. Problems are solved collectively. Success is not always a solo journey. While some people isolate themselves in the name of independence, Igbo billionaires understand that growth is faster when people pull you forward. Community multiplies strength. They also respect time. In Igbo commercial centers, activity starts early. There is urgency, there is movement. Time is treated as a resource, not something to waste. They understand that delay costs money. While others overthink, they act. While others complain, they calculate. So what do Igbo billionaires know that others ignore? They know that starting small is powerful. They know that skills matter more than titles. They know that relationships are assets. They know that failure is education. They know that community multiplies success. They know that wealth is built deliberately, not magically. These principles are not glamorous. They require patience, discipline, humility, and consistency. That is why many people ignore them. But they work. They have worked across generations. This story is not about tribe. It is about mindset. The principles that built Igbo billionaires are not exclusive. Anyone can learn them, anyone can apply them, anyone can benefit from them. The real question is not why some people succeed. The real question is what you are ignoring.